Good boy. Ooh, good boy. You're so brave. More truck's coming. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. What was it? Look. Good brave boy. You did it. February 8th. We just got a couple strides of canter both directions. Well, we went two different directions, but he picks up just the one lead. But we've made lots of progress. His trots are getting stronger and he's not pulling at the mouth anymore. We're wearing some boots today. He's a lot better about joining me. Good boy. Yeah? It's dinner time, so you gonna go back to the barn? You're gonna hang out with me? What a good boy. Nope, going back. Good boy. You're so brave. Good boy. So impressed with you. Yeah. The world is still very scary. Blankets and all that stuff. It's very scary, but it hasn't quite been a month yet, and he's come so far. We're so proud of you, Scoop.